What's up, everybody? I got a comment from one of my Discord members asking me if it was possible to do a video on all the different materials that are possible in Hubs, which is transparencies, emissions, metallic, all with baked lighting. And so I thought I'd give that a shot. So thank you, Sam, for the suggestion. This video is sponsored by Utopia VR. More about them at the end of the video. But for now, let's just hop right in. So I sought out to find a good asset that I would be able to use to demonstrate this, and I found this one on Sketchfab from artist One Munson. So this is a pretty good looking model. It's got emission, materials, transparencies, and everything we need to get started. So I went ahead and downloaded that. And, you know, if you're noticing that I spent $10 on it and you want to give back for that, you can just go ahead and like, subscribe, leave me a comment, you know, do any of that kind of engagement, and then it will have been worth the massive investment of $9.99. So popping into Blender, I've just opened up the GLTF just by importing it in, and I'm noticing a few things. Now, the first thing that I might suggest that you do is actually go over to your preferences, and under add-ons, you type in material and you'll get the material utilities checkbox. And if you hit Shift Q, you will actually see a list of the materials here that you can assign to objects or that you can select by those objects. So you can select by a material. So I'll select everything with the ground material. Now I've selected the ground, right? Super duper useful. It also selected lantern because it was adding to my selection. But if I select everything with the lantern, you can see that's everything with the lantern. And I can actually add all of these together. I want to separate this light bulb though. Yeah, but all of these objects here, I'm going to merge into a single asset, just like this. Control J allows me to merge them into a single asset. That is a little bit more optimized for Blender because every new object is going to be a new thing that Blender has to think about. So that's step one, sort of getting your object ready. Step two, I noticed here is that each one of these image files is all 4K. So that's 5 4K maps for just the lantern material. The ground has 4 maps here, and I bet you they're all 4K. Yep, they are. And same with the glass, and same with the emission, which is actually a part of the lantern material. But I'm going to separate that myself. So there's a lot of 4K maps here. So I'm actually going to open up Photoshop, create a little action, and half resolution everything in there. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video series. Before we move on to the next video, I gotta tell you about my friends, utopiavr.com. They have a platform which allows you to spin up your own metaverse room in minutes, and it's completely free to get started. You see, they're sponsoring these videos, even though I have very few subscribers and very few views, because they believe what I believe, that the more people that know about building these metaverse rooms, the more opportunity there is for everyone. So check out their spaces, see if there's something you can use, and if you have any questions, hit me up. Now, on to the next video, we're going to be talking about resizing our textures so that they are optimized enough for Mozilla Hubs. Thank you so much for watching.